Hey everyone, welcome back to Fair Chase Outdoors. It's December 2nd, last day before shotgun opens up here in Iowa. Coming down to my brother's house here. We're going to be setting our targets up 100 yards or so. Checking the guns out, seeing if we got to adjust them or if we're good to go. Alright everybody, got it sighted in. Went out to about 100 yards, set the target up, went out about 100 yards, left my phone there. First shot was about 4 inches to the left, and we do got a crosswind today, but I don't think it was all because of the wind, so I adjusted a little bit. Second shot, right money, perfect right where I want it. So with that being said, I think we're ready for the morning. I'll see you guys then. Good morning everyone. The time is now a little colder this morning than I expected. The rear feels -4 out, and it's a bad time to realize I have no idea where my bibs are. So I just layered up. Hopefully you guys stay warm enough. But here to pick my dad up. I'm gonna get out there and get after it. So guys, little update. Dad just shot up the hill here. So hopefully he's got one down. It is just miserable out here. It is cold. Wind's coming right up the valley here. Oh, just got a text. Alright guys, a little update here. Dad just put down a little forkhorn up on the hill. I still haven't seen nothing down here. It is brutally windy and cold this morning. Heard a couple deer behind me, but never did see them. That's the second time he shot today. He shot earlier. I guess he missed a decent buck. But stay with me guys. We're gonna finish this sit out, and then we'll go get hands on this deer and get him out of here. So. Well, unfortunately, my GoPro died on me. I thought I had a bunch of video for you guys, but didn't like the cold. It would video for about 30 seconds to a minute and then just shut off. So yeah, unfortunately I lost a bunch of video, or didn't video when I thought I was. But the one Dad shot, a little 5-pointer, good sized body on him. And I actually we got done, ate some dinner, warmed up a little bit, and I'm coming over to pick him up again. So we're gonna get back out there and hopefully put a few more down, or I'd like to see one anyway. So stay with me here guys, and we'll get back after it. You guys think Dad's gonna shoot a deer tonight?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What are you, Jameson? Think I'm gonna shoot a deer?
Yeah.
Hopefully you're right. Alright guys, pretty sure I got it all on video. I just had a group of 3 come through, shot a buck and a doe. I hit the first one, I dropped it, and I was kind of sitting there looking around, and I looked back and it was working its way up the hill. It must have got back up. So I just kind of sat here for a little bit and it worked its way back down, and I dropped it. And then I was just turning the camera around to do my what I'm doing right now, do my little talk, and here comes a doe down the hill, and I dropped her. So cool, got 2 on the ground and got about an hour and a half of daylight left, so let's see what happens. Alright, everyone, walked up here, found my deer, dropped them both. Unfortunately, I mean, I knew one was a spike, or not a spike, but a split. So definitely not a doe. Both sides are broke off, but still big old body on it. Walk on over. I shot them both 40 yards from each other. Stepped it off roughly 145, 150 yards. It was kind of a poke, but them 450s, I can't say enough good about them. They shoot so flat. It's kind of unreal, really. One was a little basket rack or fork. Again, nice big body. We quit a little early with a little bit of sunlight, but we're gonna drag them out or down, and then we'll be able to pull them out with the 4-wheeler. But so that's it for day 1. 3 deer down, and tomorrow I think we have 3 more tags, so hopefully we'll tag out by tomorrow afternoon. So see you guys in the morning. Morning, everyone. Day 2 shotgun hunting. Just got up and got going here. It's about 10 after 6 here to pick up the old man. Again, we got 3 down from yesterday. I got 1 doe tag left, and Dad's got 2 or 3 tags left, so see how the morning goes. It's a lot nicer this morning. It's about 12-13 degrees outside, no wind, nice and clear. I think it's gonna be a beautiful morning, so let's get out there and get after it, and hopefully we get some action. Alright guys, I know it happened real quick, but I turned the camera, like you can see them out in the field, then they crossed the creek and I turned the camera around. My big ass was in the way, so he really didn't see much, but it's actually 5 deer, 4 bucks, 1 doe. Only got doe tags left, so that's the one I was throwing lead at. And I hit her good, but I watched her go to the top and lay down, so not as good as I should have hit her. And we gave it an hour and a half till the drive was done, and then I got on the trail, bumped her, and then she ran up where I shot her again, dropped her, she got up again, and then she ran up to my dad, who is, I don't know if you guys can see him in the video. Oh, there he is, right there. and he made a, I'd say 85-yard shot, 90-yard shot, and finally put her down. So that's day 2, morning sit, 1 deer down, and 3 tags left. So let's keep her going. All right, everyone, a little update. It is Sunday evening hunt, and in true fair chase fashion, I had a camera malfunction, but I got my last doe. I tagged out. Big old nanny doe. She came in 100 or so yards away, milled around for a while. I was gonna let her walk up to my dad because he hasn't shot much this year, and it would have just been easier for him to shoot him up on top than me shoot him down the bottom. But she changed her mind, turned around, kind of bolted, ran probably about 30 yards, stopped. I let one go, dropped her right in the shoulder. Didn't even take a step. So Dad's on his way out to grab the 4-wheeler, and we're gonna get Emma out here. She likes to help track them and take care of them and try to teach the next generation if we can. So that is going to be the video though for the year. Pretty happy with how it turned out. If you guys like the video, make sure to give her a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll keep the videos coming at you. Thanks for watching, guys.